One sweet and caring, now cold and calculated. You can't be trusted. You want the world for your own. You want maximum profit. I can't afford to stay, so get out of my way. Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't be with me anymore. You can't be with me. Once I will let you in, but now I let you go.
So in this video I will show you how to make mini table saw. I'm cutting now all the parts, so you can cut it at your dimensions.
Smoking down the track, I never looking back. You can't.
So I cut the parts, so now I will cut at my dimensions. The base is ready, so now we need to make some holes for screws. So it looks perfect. So now I cut this piece to be on top of the mini saw. Now we need to paint it. I'm using the black color because I like it.
Don't get in my way now. No. When I hear that song
The paint is dry, so now we need to fill it with some parts.
alone, I know I don't belong.
So for the brake we need a DC motor, a switch, some piece of wood with ball bearings, a mini saw, and some rubber bands. Now let's make it.
7 days since she left, I'm still amazed. The way she dressed, I mean, woof. The way she smelled, made my every cell scream rum bum bum bum. Huh. Who knew what Tinder date could make me feel this way? Now I'm in love and I'm ready to play. Wrote her a text like, hey baby, do you wanna hang out? But then she goes, she run around, run around, run around, run around, run around in my head. I can't let go. No, 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 no. It's all I think about, think about, think about, think about, think about, think about her. What did I do wrong? What did I do?
So I finish it, so now let's see if it works.
I like it, baby. Oh, why won't you date me? Did you remember what happened? Remember stepping to the club, right? Did you ain't turn it up? She was sweating to the song. You were looking all along. You were such a ding dong, right? So tell me what's your face, glance? The way you put your hands in hers, dance. Or maybe when you hit the garden, put that car, you're back like a rock star.
It cuts perfectly. I tried to cut a piece of PCB pop stick, so it looks very perfect. And now it's time to enjoy the reveal. Bye!